am so glad you clicked on my video. Like, you're the bomb, okay? Thebomb.com. My name is LUVMEHAIR if you don't know me. But if you know me, hey girl, how you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. And let's get into this tutorial. Ow. So first things first, shout out to LUVMEHAIR for sponsoring this video and keeping your girl booked and busy. Yeah, right now we're just digging in the box, and these are all the cute little goodies you can find inside a LUVMEHAIR box, okay? All right. Oh, also a wig cap. You know we need that. Yes, we do. Alrighty, to the main character, who? Herself. Yup. So this babe right here is in the length of 14 inch, I believe. Hold on, let me check right quick. Nope, I'm wrong. 12 inch, okay? Curly, pre-curl, body waves, not sure, but natural curl. Yes, natural curl. And look at that part, y'all. One thing I love about LUVMEHAIR's wigs, their parts are really deep, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, because, you know, it gives the illusion of a natural part. But yeah, so the inside has combs and an adjustable strap for security but yeah, let's get right into the install. Yeah girl. So since it's a lace, it's not just, you know, put on and go. We actually do have to glue this babe on. So yeah, first step is to spray some hair spray some glue on your wig cap, okay? And make sure to, you know, spread it around with your finger, just like I'm doing. Then you go back in with the blow dryer, because you guys know already the blow dryer does what? Does all the magic. All right. So this method right here, because y'all know I'm all about trying different things until I get it, okay? So right now, I figured that this is actually a pretty cool way to help your scalp dry and, you know, dry exactly how it's supposed to dry inside your skin. I hate how that sounds, but that's kind of what's going on. But yeah, so, you know, just kind of use whatever, a metal tip, something that you have, and just kind of, you know, spread the glue right around the circumference of your head. And then, yes, I went back in with my elastic band to kind of add a little more security to it. So as it's drying, I will go back in with my foundation and start, you know, doing what I gotta do with my lace, the lace on my wig. Yeah, so you always gotta put, you know, a little color on it if you're a color girl like me, because your scalp is not whatever color it comes in. It's not, okay? So don't forget to do that. So yeah, so now it looks like we're dry. So now I'm just gonna go back in and do the same thing here, you know, use my little foundation. Yeah,
magnificent.
okay, so now I just go back in and, you know, put on the wig and try to align my wig with my wig cap. Make sure that, you know, everything is placed in the right position. All right, so then I just go back in and add some spray to kind of make my wig cap disappear, the line of my wig cap disappear. And that is the reason why you see me doing what I'm doing here. It kind of helps make the line less of a line and it looks more like this. So it gives you like a smooth little transition between your skin and the wig cap. Okay, so yeah, so you guys kind of see the difference. So once I put the wig on it, it is smooth and nice. Yeah, this hair is so pretty. Okay, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all check out LUVMEHAIR. All the information is in the description box below, and I also do have a discount code, which is LUX25. Make sure you use that at checkout and get you some dollars off. And their wigs are super affordable. extremely affordable, especially for the quality of the hair. Like the hair, oh, amazing. I'm a Love Me Hair girl forever, like forever. And like my favorite thing about these wigs are they actually come ready to wear. They, they don't really always like require much styling, so it's really up to you because it already comes with the style. So that's kind of how I like my wigs. Yes ma'am. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm just trying to stick my wig onto my wig cap. So after applying a little bit of spray, then I go ahead and lay down the wig and then go ahead and attach it with my elastic band so that it can have a little more extra hold. Okay, y'all know the elastic band is also one of those magical things. Okay, you need an elastic band for your wig to properly lay. All right, I ain't no expert, but I know that much. Yeah. So babe, this part right here is very crucial. So you want to make sure you really take your time with the blow dryer because it has to really dry. Okay, already. So once it's dry, I just went ahead and pull it down just a little bit because I want to go ahead and pluck the hairline just a little more. I didn't even pluck it as much as I should have, but yeah, I'm in the process of learning. One day I'm gonna get these right, okay? And y'all gonna be like, oh my god, like yeah. But yeah, so I felt like the hairline needed a little more plucking, so I just went ahead and did that. I didn't do enough plucking, but yes, make sure you pluck, because that's what that's the trick to a natural hairline. If you ever wondered how the girls get that real silky, straight, shiny look, this is how, okay? Go ahead and use your Got To Be Glue, spray it on your hair, and then go over with your flat iron, alrighty? Yep, that's how you do it. Because look at that. It's real nice and silky, and that's how I like it. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. So now it's time to reveal. Look at that. Nice and natural. Yes, ma'am. So, yeah, the scalp is getting what it's supposed to give. So you just go back in and get rid of the excess lace. And we are serving. Yes, ma'am. So here I'm just using some alcohol to get rid of the excess glue because it be looking a little tacky and we don't want that, okay? But when you do that, make sure you go back in with your makeup again because of course the alcohol actually removes the makeup. So yeah, so you want to make sure you add, you go back in and dab in a little more of that foundation to give you that really super natural hairline like mine. Girl, I sure did, like that girl. Yes ma'am. But while we're still doing this styling, make sure you add a little concealer on your part, okay? I'm not sure why my concealer wasn't coming out like it was supposed to, but it still did the trick, to just kind of give your part a little a little life. Yeah. Love that for me. Yes. So one thing about Love Me Hair is they are pushing the no baby hair look. So I had to show you guys how it looks without the baby hairs, and it looks pretty good actually, you know, because they have really great laces. But me, I'm a baby hairs girl, so I went ahead and recorded a baby hairs version because, you know, just in case you want to pull out some baby hairs, this is kind of what it could look like. And here you go, babes. I don't know why I always forget to, you know, add a little sideburn. I always do this. I always forget to bring out the sideburn baby hair. But whatever, it still is giving what it's supposed to give. I ate, didn't I? I sure did. Y'all, make sure to check out Love Me Hair, okay? All the information are in the description box below. And girl, if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe and join the vibe. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in this long. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Thanks for stopping by, and you have a blessed one, baby girl. Mwah. Bye. Like this around the